Hey bro, nobody knew. I wouldn't have said anything, but you put it on your channel.
Then
you spit it publicly. You're like, hey, you know that shot in Combs video where I was lying on the ground playing with the dog? I wasn't really lying on the ground playing with the dog. I fell on the floor and I can't get up.
Well, I have the diesel heater installed, all hooked up, power's on. The new controller, we haven't tried it out yet, but just gonna put the front panel back together. And I've got the new pump in, everything's ready to go. So let's hope that Jeffie Bear now has heat.
It's smoking out Jeffie, but it's working. Whoa. They always smoke it first. I think it should be outside. Oh, it's going faster now. It's sped up. You see the smoke coming out of it?
You want to maybe back that outside?
Yeah, Jeff. Back it outside.
Jeffie, good. You just back your van outside?
Yeah. Just a tiny bit of smoke, not much at all. So it's just all the fuel from farming that was clearing out, I believe. Are you happy, Jeffie? Oh,
No,
you're not happy? Are you happy you got a heater?
I'm happy.
Yep.
Yes,
Yay.
sir. Thank you very much, Wayne.
You're welcome. I'm happy too.
Good. I think we're all happy. So
Yeah.
Chrome
Yeah.
got us the hell out of the shop.
Yeah. After working all day on Jeffie Bear's van, installing his new diesel heater, I decided to make myself a nice dinner in my ambulance. Chicken breast with roasted peppers and onions, boiled potatoes and veggies, and of course a glass of red wine. Well, I'm walking up to go see Jeffie Bear, and then I find somebody else in his vehicle. Wait, it is Jeffie Bear. Hey. Oh, what happened to coffee time with Jeffie Bear? Nobody will recognize you anymore.
I know.
Yeah. Oh.
Still me.
Still am.
Yeah. I'm gonna start growing it back tomorrow.
Oh.
I always do that at least once a year.
Yeah. Okay.
Good morning. Just enjoying some coffee at Parksville Beach. Waiting for a van tour from Van City Vanlife today. So I'm really excited about that. And I'll be a couple weeks on the island. Really enjoying it. So a lot of nice places to come here to see. And I'm hoping today that the fog will lift so I can have some good views and take some good camera shots. So just time to wait and enjoy my coffee.
Ginger's favorite spot while I'm driving. She loves it there. Sometimes she'll fall asleep for 20-30 minutes and she'll wake up, turn around and fall asleep on the other way around. I put Ginger's harness on, put a leash on, opened the door, and a big seagull landed, and poof, Ginger ran underneath the car seat. I pulled over to make lunch, then all of a sudden I heard this strange noise from Ginger, so I had to investigate.
These? The crow. You go get the crow.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.